There are some major rumors in the DJI world right now. I'm Jordan with Florida Drone Supply, and we have some very exciting news. Are you ready to elevate your aerial adventures to new heights with the highly anticipated DJI Avata 2? Because get ready to experience the ultimate thrill of FPV, or first-person flying, with this indoor-friendly drone that is set to soar above anything that we've seen before. Now, we all know that the first generation Avata was and still is a huge fan favorite with its FPV and indoor capabilities. But now, excitement is brewing as sneak peeks of the Avata 2 flood the internet, hinting at a release that will take your breath away. And well, we have officially got confirmation that the release date is set to be April 11th, 2024. So make sure to mark your calendars. Now, I'm sure you've seen that the first generation Avata can dance. But don't you worry, we are beyond confident that the Avata 2 can keep up with the moves. But that's not all. DJI is covering all bases as they also launch the Goggles 3, DJI FPV Remote Controller 3, and the RC Motion 3 joystick controller. They have all received the green light from the US FCC, signaling that the wait is almost over. And here's the cherry on top. DJI is making room for the future by offering massive discounts on the first generation Avata. So don't miss your chance to grab this incredible deal and gear up for the arrival of the Avata 2. This drone is about to redefine the FPV experience. So make sure you stay tuned for the official release. Like this video and subscribe to our channel to make sure that you don't miss it. If you have any further questions, you can give us a call at 855-8-DRONES or email info@floridadronesupply.com. As always, thank you so much for watching and enjoy your flight.